Husker Harvest Days 2025.
We're in a sea of purple. How about passed out? No. I don't know what it's trying to show off.
It's like, I don't know.
The suspension.
Trail
but
suspension.
you're not even touching the tires to the ground.
No, they're all flat too.
That's your new test drive. We'll just take it through the simulator.
Yeah.
It'll simulate what it could do if it was built right. This is what you want it to do. Now, if you did it, probably break.
I like that blue.
Blue, red, oh god. The orange and white and Pinto looking color scheme.
Yeah, because it was a obviously racer in the 70s. Yeah. Go. I don't care. 138, 139.
5 minutes later.
Took a little longer than I thought. That was fun. How about passed out? I had to actually lay on the ground with my shoes off.
I had to go retrieve some water.
Haven't drank it yet. She showed up with the camera. I thought I'd tell you guys first. Inside our booth at Muscle Car Concepts, we're gonna go take a look at Purple Wave. They stopped by. They brought a Ghostbusters vehicle. Let's go take a look. Alrighty, Purple Wave, Ghostbusters. How'd it do? We're in a sea of purple.
If there's something strange in your neighborhood, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! If there's something weird and it don't look good, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
Johnny, where are we at?
We're at Husker Harvest Days 2025.
Alrighty folks, wrapping up day 3 of Husker Harvest Day. Wait, it's Wednesday. Yes, day 3. Day 2 of the actual event, our 3rd day here. And putting everything away. Ford Pinto Wagon, folks, done right. 302, cammed, Ford 9-inch, and gosh darn it, Johnny.
Hey, did anybody want to go get some
groceries at Walmart real quick. I got a station wagon here. I think we can fit a couple of cases of Busch Light real quick. You down?
Folks, only the best content.
Edge of the Husker Harvest Days plots with some more information, some more seat stands.
You never wanted to be serious, to say it's serious, to say. Filing the lock, out in the barn, leading the flock, off of the farm. Only what we want to, only breathe what we want to.
I don't know what kind of food they got, but it should be good.
They seem to have a lot of car-related stuff, so it only seemed fair. Oh, we found out Max's Thunder Road Grill. Muscle Car Concepts has arrived. Folks, what do we think?
I'm full, I'm stuffed, I'm tired, but I still want a couple of cases of beer with that station wagon. I think that'd be badass.
Station wagon. Pinto?
Yeah. Imagine going there to a grocery store, getting 4 or 5 cases of Busch Light with a big old mullet in the back, walking out of there hand in hand, 2 Busch Light packs each hand, going, America.
What do you think, Megan?
Good potato salad. Look at that. Look at that. That's some good stuff.
Good tatum.
Good stuff. No T-bird photo on the wall, so that's kind of disappointing.
End of day 3. Like, comment, subscribe. We got one more day of good quality content for you.